Welcome to Ali Care and partner with Thea School of Beauty Culture. Well, as you know, Thea School of Beauty Culture and Ali Care is the same business, just that Ali Care is our brand name. Now, I'm showing you the starter kit for your course. So you will get a head in it. So this is the head that you will get. You will also get an eyelash cleanser. You will also get two tweezers, the two tweezers to work with. You will also get the two tweezer to work with, two tweezer. You also get your fusion lash. This is the 9mm lash, different sizes, and you will also get the lash to practice with to add your fusion. You will also get the adhesive here, and you get some brush in it to curl the lash, and you also get your glue here and the tape to tape down the lash, and you also get some mink lash to do your 3D designs, and you get the cup for the glue. And to top it off, you get your guide, your lash guide for you. So guys, this is the look. Okay, this is the finished touch. So this is before it is done, and this is after it's done.